Are you guys into watching streams and just subscribing to them, in Twitch? And if so, you must be wanting to just get rid of some of those subscriptions. Now, I'll teach you guys how to do that in this video. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us start. First, just open up any browser or any other websites and search for twitch.tv. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after we have opened up our Twitch, just go ahead to your profile section right here, tap on this on the top right, and under there you will see the subscriptions option. Tap on subscriptions, and here you will see all of your subscriptions that you've purchased till now. Now under this you will see all of those subscriptions. Just select the one that you want to unsubscribe from and tap on it and just unsubscribe to it from there. And that is pretty much it. That is how you unsubscribe from something on Twitch. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.